Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include remote start, alloy wheels, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2019 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.